I'm trying to knit the mrbobvin sweater in 7 days, and this is day 2, and I literally haven't even knitted yet at all. It is, I don't have my watch. It is 2 p.m. already, and I haven't knitted a thing. Like, this is the same part I stopped on last night. I haven't worked on it at all, but I'm gonna get started right now. And my goal for today is to finish the chart section of the body. Like, we have to do the chart a couple of times, and so I want to finish that part so that I'm done with that chart and then move on to the next section maybe tomorrow. But we'll see what I can get done, and we'll just see. Let's get it. Guys, it happened again. It literally happened again. So I was knitting and I'm doing the chart, and I was supposed to knit 2 stitches and then do a yarn over. I ended up knitting 3 stitches and then doing a yarn over instead, which messed up my entire like pattern and row for the chart. I immediately ran upstairs to Kalila because this literally happened to me with the salty days. This happened with the salty day sweater where I messed up and I was not gonna tink back, and I gave it to Kalila to tink back. Sir, I'm filming. Anyway, I gave it to Kalila to tink back, and she helped me out, and I told her I would pay her $20 for it, and I never did. And now she's doing it again, and so I just need to add this $20 to my tab because yeah, I wasn't doing that. So she's doing it right now. I'm gonna show you guys where she's tinking back to, because I found where I messed up because I went and read my stitches and saw like where I should have not knitted 3 stitches and knitted 2 instead. Anyway, let me show you guys. And so this is her doing it for me.
I'm almost there.
I messed up right there, and I was like over here, like literally almost to my beginning of round stitch marker, and
got all that done.
You're fast, because that would be it. End of challenge.
Challenge over.
Anyway, I'll update you guys once I get my project back. See you later. Okay, she fixed it. Well, fixed it. You know, you guys get it. Anyway, so I'm back to where I messed up. Now I'm gonna be really careful and really pay attention. I won't mess up again. So, yarn over, knit 1, knit 2. All right, let's do this. Okay guys, so I have to do the chart 4 times and I am now on the 3rd set out of 4 and I'm trying to finish all 4 sets today so I can start on the next section of the pattern. And I don't have my watch. It is 8:59, so I definitely feel confident about finishing tonight because I'm gonna stay up. This is how the project is looking so far. It looks so cool. It's very thick though and heavy, so I'm really excited to see how it feels after I block it. And now I'm thinking about it, this is actually small, but it's fine. So on to set 3.
Nobody's untouchable. Sometimes when the hide's out of balance, you have to replace the queen.
Must be the president.
Okay guys, I'm gonna be honest, don't ever listen to us when we say we're staying up because
it's like
it's Khalila's fault though.
How is it my fault?
Because you're like, hey, good headache. I need to go to sleep. Exactly. Like if you going to sleep, I might as well go to sleep.
Y'all are followers. And no one told y'all to follow me to sleep.
Well, you bring up great points about
it is.
Well, since they're over here filming too,
10:54.
about how Khalila's over here like, they're going to go to sleep. So we're like,
Yeah.
I mean.
So I am on the 3rd set out of 4 for my chart. I'm almost done. I'm on row 9 out of 12 on a 3rd set.
We heard you.
No, I have to explain it. And tomorrow I'll definitely finish because I have a fresh day tomorrow. Like this, honestly, with my salty days, I would have been done with this. I would have been done with this sweater day 3. Yup.
But we're going according to my plan that I plotted out with body 3 days, yoke 1 day, sleeves 2 days, so 1 sleeve per day, and then the collar last day, which you can do whatever extra, the collar and whatever you have left over. So we're on track to finishing 7 days.
Period. We're on track. You heard it here, folks. So this is how it's looking. It looks really good. I just really can't wait to block it. Like, I think I'm getting used to the heaviness because it doesn't even feel heavy.
It's gonna flow so
it doesn't
nicely.
feel heavy anymore. Oh, this is really cool.
Well,
like
I was about to
literally,
say, that marling is so
right? Like
nice.
if it weren't for the twins, I would still be knitting stockinette sweaters. Like
Yes.
I would look at this and be like, nope, can't do it.
Yep.
And
then
it's so
knits and
easy. It's just
pearls.
knits, pearls, yarn overs, and decreases. Literally, that's it.
Yes.
Yeah, super easy. Anyway, so that's it for tonight. I promise I'm finishing tomorrow. Oh god, just
The body.
yes, the body. Just you guys know not to listen to me by now. Like this
Listen,
isn't
the
this
first
isn't
goal is to
even.
get halfway through the body, and that's what you did.
Yes, exactly. You heard her. Anyway, that's it. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.